Hello everyone, so welcome back. It is number 2 Urbex down in the air raid shelters. So let's go for a walk, yeah? Right, do you know where we're going here? Because I fucking don't. Right, paint pot there. Straight to there. In fact, I've got chalk here, mate.
Give me some chalk out.
Yeah, there's a packet of chalk. Right, we're gonna.
Hey, why does he not come down, little fanny?
Try and get him to come down.
He won't come down. One of our mate's friends won't come down.
Last time.
We went that way, I think, last time and back up. I'm just gonna mark on the walls. Arrow. A. Yeah, that'll do.
By the time we get back. Till we get back.
Brad, so let me take you for a little walk back down to memory lane, people. Brad, where have you gone now?
Down there, look.
So this is the Stockport World War II air raid shelters. This is where people used to come in the war and sleep down here. Look, that's a wee pan down there, I reckon. So these are the old bunk beds. I'm sure we'll find a lot more stuff as we move on. We just bumped into some other people. Let me get a picture of that, that's cool. That's pretty cool. Get all this for your Instagram and stuff. So we're back. That old carton there. Look, that's mad, that, innit? So mad. Brad, you alright there, lad?
Fucking gone.
It's madness, innit, though, in here?
No signal.
Yeah, definitely no signal. Which way did we come when we got to the end of there? From the right?
Fuck no.
Yeah, it was from the right.
Oh, let's go.
It was from the right. Oh,
We're getting lost again.
I know. Get eerie, doesn't it? So yeah, walking back through. There's been a few people airsofting in here, as I said on my last video. There's the petrol can that we come past the other day. This is the toilets here. Brad? Where are you? You're not coming through the toilets?
I've been through the toilet.
Have you? Look at this. This is all the old toilets.
Old fucking Lamborghini.
Look, old toilets here, all smashed in. Watch that pothole there, people. Look at that. So this is where they used to have to go for a dump in the war. How's it going fuzzy? Have we got ghosts with us at the minute?
Probably. I'm having a shit.
So look, it's madness, madness, madness. I won't like to have been in here when there's bombs going off above your head. Would you? Yeah. Oh shit. What? Oh, just found Brad again, wherever he's gone. Have you seen the figurine yet?
No, that's not down there.
Watch out for all these potholes, because if you fall down one I will laugh at you.
I think this is one of the exits.
Yeah, it will be. Has it got the holes in the top? Look, old petrol tank there. Yeah, this is one of the exits. We didn't come up here.
Yeah, definitely exit. This is the Aldi garage, isn't it?
Is it?
Yeah.
Right in the showroom.
Imagine coming up there. Are you sure it's the Audi garage?
That's so on the map.
And you can't get out?
No, not there.
What do you think, Wayne? It's crazy, isn't it? Oh man.
I feel like I can't leave him outside there now.
Why is he bitching out?
What road do you want the home fence?
We've got all these potholes here we've got to watch out for. So he actually told you to go first and then he runs off. It's nice of him, isn't it? So yeah, at least we've got a lot more light at the minute. Got all these old lanterns, right? Do you remember these when they used to be on the skips and that? What do you think? It's mad, isn't it? Yeah. Under here. More old toilets. It's a bit wet down this bit here. Look at that. Can you imagine having to sit on that and have a poo?
Gammy shit at Stockport.
Look at all that. Dripping everywhere. Well, at least the camera footage is good today, people. That's the main thing. Can't believe they smashed all these toilets up. It's daft, isn't it?
Oh yeah, for what?
I know, just vandalism, isn't it?
Check the fucking shoe out.
Yeah, that's an old shoe. That's well, oh, look, you can see the leather on it.
See someone's foot on it.
Can you imagine? Just take a picture here.
Is that where we come from, that mate?
I don't know, mate. Is it down that way we came? Brad?
Don't think so.
Where are you?
Down this one.
Down that tunnel there?
This one here.
Where's
See?
this that we got in? No.
No.
This is a fucking burial chamber.
Right?
Yo.
Come on.
This is where we come in now.
No. This is the next level to the tunnel.
What happened to the fucking talking? That finish after the first one.
Yeah.
Lost his spot.
No, I'll be right. We'll be alright.
Just walk the toilets,
It's just a walk in the park, innit?
Isn't it?
Yeah, so these are the old bunk beds here. They would have been strapped up to the wall at some point. There's a lot of old lanterns down here, isn't there? Car tyre, don't know why that's there.
Someone drove it. I need to touch.
Whoa, check that little shoe out there.
Shit, mate. Yo, Ash, come shine your torch this way. That's that shower you keep seeing in the park.
Yeah, it goes on for ages. It goes on for ages and ages. Do you know your way back, you?
Yeah, I know my way around.
Yeah, bet you do.
I studied the map.
Hope so.
That's an exit.
Fucking white when he was doing this.
Yeah, they'll be pulling no whiteys down here.
Isn't it? Fucking going under.
Well, it'll be bad if we all turned our torches off and legged it.
all over the place. But it's their second name.
Get on one of these beds here.
Well, yeah, at least you get your head down for the night. Whoa. Madness. Absolute madness. This goes on for ages, this.
Is this the old electrical system?
Yeah. It's all the conduit piping that used to be. Look, if you look here, on the ceiling there above your head, see all the little straps there?
Yeah.
That was what it was hooked on.
One of these beds have a gas mask on.
Did it?
Yeah.
When?
On 28 days later.
No way did it. I want a picture of that.
That's an old bed springs.
Yeah.
Someone's been fucking over luxuries. Having their own room.
That's it.
This is another exit here.
I think we're at the end. Pan. That's
It doesn't work back on itself, you know.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Bit cold in that fucking pan there.
There you
Yeah. That old engine there.
go. Grab to cut that.
What is little holes fucking for?
Okay. So this is the end of it, apparently.
Yeah, so where's this now then?
Right up there,
Yeah, what else?
near Tudor Leaf. That's
Yeah.
the bricked up bits, yeah.
What, inside that rock?
Yeah.
Right, this is as far back as it goes. Now the other bit is
The other way.
the other side where...
We'll get us back to the start and we'll go back there.
Right, press what's that torch?
Right.
So I can get some good shots if I'm in front.
And what do I use?
Stand behind me. You got good shots on the way down.
See, now I'm going to blurry.
Shit, I looked at the fucking lamp.
What, the other side's bigger?
They're meant to be. Come on. The other side's meant to be bigger than this side, isn't it?
There's more. You get more lost in it.
Oh yeah. That's not necessarily a good thing.
Oh shit.
Oh. So yeah, walking back through to the other end. Mate, tell them the name of YouTube this. Won't be doing it otherwise.
Get it, man, I'll give out with it.
What's that, Dad? What's that? Oh, fridge or something. Kitty's toy.
Come on, I'm below you.
Need to buy one of them torches, Brad.
Well, I went to B&Q to get one. They were sold out.
You should have gone to Screwfix and got one of them ones. That old lantern.
Where's that gas mask?
Might be on the other side. Don't forget, it's a big tunnel.
Did those guys say they were going to do...
It could have been up there. What's up that way?
Been up there.
Oh, is it that way?
Yeah, it's an exit. Those guys said they were going to do Dodge Hill.
Yeah.
But you can't get in.
What was Dodge Hill?
Like here.
Yeah. That's where we know a route in.
Well, that's just one of the fireplace.
Yeah, these would look so much better if they were stood up.
Well, I think we should go to the ones that they do a proper tour on. And so we went straight through there, didn't we?
That's the toilets.
Yeah.
Oh, this way it's flooded, that's why.
Right, so we need to go back through the toilets. Go on then, lead the way since you got the light. Back through the toilets.
These glass walls aren't very big, are they?
And don't forget they've got God knows how much air foot over them. Watch that hole there. Hey, can I have my torch back now?
Oh, one second.
Yeah, I've got all fuzzy footage here because you've got my bloody
You've
torch.
got good footage all the way down.
All them. Shine torch on there.
Aren't they for candles?
Possibly, shine torch on there. Look at all them lanterns. I remember they get old fuel powered ones.
Big drop.
Right, and then it's right here.
These toilets.
Did we do them ones?
Yeah. That's exit. Watch us get lost now. Yeah, we've been in it.
Yeah, we've been through this one.
Yeah.
So once you get your bearings.
See, what's this?
I don't know. No idea. Let's wait for them now. Watch these holes in the floor.
We all thought the same thing though. I always said that's what
No, it's this way. It's this way because here's the petrol canister. There's the petrol canister, so you follow it to the right now. It's right down here, right down the bottom of here. Then it should be a left at the bottom of here, I think.
You see that one arrow over there?
Mate, there's arrows everywhere.
Can you get in on it? Shutting it up.
How mad's this, eh? Everyone will be loving this on YouTube later.
Yeah, anyway.
Where are you going?
God knows what that is.
Mad as fuck, isn't it?
It is mad. And at the bottom of here you do a left, if I remember rightly. Brad? Yeah, it is. It's at the bottom of here. I'm so impressed with this torch. Even though it's gone blurry now I've done that. Come on. Sort your head out. Ghosts are with us, people. Ghosts are with us. There's the exit there. So if you go to there, bro, and climb up.
Yeah, man, sweet.
Sweet, man.
Catch up with you in a bit.
Yeah, man.
Come on, see you in a bit, mate. See you later.
See you later.
See you in a bit. So that's that way. So now we're going to go this way. I think this is the way we went originally.
Yeah, now these separate off into 4 separate tunnels,
Yeah.
but they go into a square and come back to here.
Do they?
On the map it does, anyway. That's why I wanted to do that bit first, that's the easiest, it's just a straight line.
This bit's not though. Isn't it mad though? All the stuff that's still down there.
Get a good way.
Do you know if we brought a metal detector in here, Brad?
Yeah, that's what I thought.
I was going to bring it.
I don't know if we'd get in trouble for that though.
No.
That's what I want a picture of this here, hang on. This is mint, this. Brad's just saying I'm not an urbexer, it's like, I don't think so, so I am definitely an urbexer. Let's get back off that.
Ash, is this the one that comes out to the main road?
Yeah, up to the higher bit, yeah, if you go right there. Towards Gaza, yeah. How many batteries? Oh yeah, got plenty of battery life left in this torch, people. Mark some more chalk on the wall. So we know.
No, I'm starting to think that gap was brought down by someone.
I think it probably will have been. Yeah, this is the bit we walked up the other day, this. Exploring the air raid shelters. Anyway, hope you're all liking this, people. It's quite a good urbex, if I do say so myself.
No way on there.
There's what?
No way I am on the map.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that's the first one at the bottom of the
Sorry
map.
people, I was just taking pictures. Yeah, have a look for artefacts on the floor.
I'm looking as we go.
Artifacts.
Yes, artefacts.
Archaeology. There you go, there's a soul to a shoe.
Yeah. A very old soul to a very old shoe.
So these are the BBs you're on about.
Yeah, you can smell the urine in here now, it stinks. It's horrible. See, that'll be another way in there. Oh no, it's sandstone, I thought it was normal.
I wonder where the ventilation.
No idea. No idea. So,
I'm guessing this way goes to.
the other tunnel.
Well, they all go to the tunnel.
Yeah, no. Yeah, no! Whoa. Come on, focus. This is, do you know what? This is where it went fuzzy on me. Exactly the same point it went fuzzy. There's a load of orange writing in front of you there, isn't there?
Yeah.
No, here on this side wall.
Yeah.
Same way lost. Yeah, this is exactly the same place it went fuzzy on my camera the other day. Right here in this tunnel.
So this one goes up to the.
That's one exit. That's one exit up there. Easily get lost under here, couldn't you? That is exactly. That's weird. That how that my camera went fuzzy there again. With a sole over shoe.
Yeah, this goes to the main road.
Yeah, you'll start to hear the main road in a minute.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah, we've walked up this before because Steve thought these were like, you know, lines that you had to queue up in between.
Really?
Yeah, and I told him it was a bump. They were bumpers. He's like, no. I went, actually, yeah, they are, aren't they? So yeah, hope he's all enjoying this. Who's watching the video? Yeah, I'm sure this is another one of the exit tunnels.
There's no point me talking. Ashley's doing it for me.
That's what you want, innit? Bit commentary.
Not really.
Well, you've got it free of charge. Yeah, I remember this bit. Remember this, people? These tubs. If you go left here,
Yeah.
you go to the end. It brings you back round in a.
And that goes to the main road.
I can't remember. I think it might do. Yeah. Oh no, this is where the other toilets are where that
I know where.
and then off one of these side tunnels is a pair of legs. We come up the other day, right? Yeah, and we just seen that.
No, Steve shit there.
You might as well come through these toilets and round, Brad, like.
I'll stick out a quick look.
We go back up that way.
Do we?
We can do. Or we can get in the toilets from the other way if you go to the left there.
No, this goes to the main road. I'm at the main road.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You see outside? Yeah, I know which bit you're at. That's where Steve was shouting, "Help me, I'm lost!" Got old tin there.
Did you hear that?
I heard that.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard voice.
There's someone on the outside.
No, it sounded like it was in here, like a radio.
No, I just flipped that over.
No,
No, it was I heard the voice.
It was a woman's voice.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Ghost again.
Oh, whatever. Won't fit by me up.
I was hoping I'd see you panic again.
No, I'm fine now. I've got a decent torch and I'm not pretty much on my way out of there. That's the thing I stuck on Instagram the other day. I'm going to have to change my batteries over soon though. Yeah, you will want to get one of these torches, Brad, if you're going to do airbaxes. Definitely.
Hey, bud. There's a head there.
Hello. More toilets, people. These ones have been absolutely obliterated though.
These are sinks.
Are they?
Look like it.
Yeah, they are actually sinks,
That's where
aren't
the things went in the walls.
The wash basins.
they? Yeah, they are. These are sinks actually.
It'd be like a trough, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it'll be a trough type one.
I wonder if there's like any rings that have fallen off.
If they were, they wouldn't be down there now, would they? Look at that. It's a shame they come in and damage it though, isn't it?
Oh, that's a bit pooey.
And then off one of these tunnels there is where the legs are. See, are we lost now?
I
Yeah.
see you.
There's the legs.
Hey, if you go down here, turn right, that takes you back round.
Does it?
Yeah.
Look at that. Set of legs just sat there.
Did you poo it?
We did it first, yeah.
Yeah, main road.
Yeah?
Yeah, near the cars.
Hold on.
Down there.
I'm going to put an arrow here.
Whereabouts we are then, mate?
No idea. Right in. Come this way.
Why that long? You're long down, that is it? That dead end out of the ground?
This way?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was the main road, yeah.
Yeah, this one's my way.
That's supposed to lead to the exit.
Oh, that one.
Yeah.
Du-du-du-du-du-du-du. So we're going to go this way. Straight on at the legs. Right at the legs.
Dead end that way.
That way.
Yeah, that way. Not that way.
Old barrel there. Who knows how many years that's been
I
there.
reckon it is a dead end with all them piece back up there. But it's not. I'm getting pretty hot though walking in there.
Yeah, I know what, I'm getting one as well.
Don't leave us on. Why do you feel?
Crazy. Are you sure you know where we are now?
Look at that, bit of quartz. Gold in here. Look,
That pellet.
there's quartz. Look, quartz everywhere. This will be full of gold, I bet you.
Might be.
Sure got the gold pack.
Do you even know whereabouts we are in the tunnels now, Brad?
Yeah,
Are you sure?
yeah.
Don't sound too confident in that
Get
one.
the map up if you really wish.
No, no, as long as you know where we are.
Well, I kind of know where we are.
Right at the legs.
Yeah, but the legs are all the way back there.
The legs are on the opposite side to us.
There's only one leg.
What's that there in the ceiling?
It must have been like.
No, at the back end. You see it, that round thing there?
Probably a light fixture.
Could be, I suppose. Could us.
Old drill, where someone's tried drilling down for a pipe fitting, or I don't know.
Right, that's the way we came from, innit?
No. We came from that way.
We've walked all the way down.
Shouldn't we do a masquerade then?
Brad,
What?
which way do we need to go back?
That way. That way. We've just come from this way.
Put it there, alright.
I've not been down there yet, I don't think.
Brad, which way did we... I know we came that way.
We came from that way on your right hand.
That way?
No, we come from that way.
That way.
That way?
Yeah,
This way we come
Ash,
from.
look, we just come from over
Well,
there.
if we turned right, it'll take us back to that square.
So if we go that way?
Is that the exit that way?
Should be.
Should be. At first, yes, it is.
Might be. Oh, I don't know, we're right.
We've got all night. Has there anyone got...
That's more fun, isn't it?
No, it's not.
Why not?
But I think it's all fine.
Is it out?
Yeah, I believe it is. Clapping hands.
You're getting scared there.
No, not quite.
That old chair, like a mattress bed thing.
Oh, that stinks.
Oh, no. Definitely need a gas mask now.
Yeah, do it right here.
Remember?
Do it right here, yeah.
It's okay. It goes into like a square.
Yeah, and we did it right here, yeah. Because I marked this wall, I think. Further down here. It's good though, isn't it?
Ow.
Careful. It's uneven ground around here. So that's pretty much it then, isn't it, Brad? They won't do though. They're filling it in this in the next few days, they said.
Imagine how much money you could make.
What, just using it as a museum?
Yeah.
Even if you opened it up to the homeless, mate.
Yeah.
And you got somewhere to live, charge them for a little bit of electricity.
Well, you can't charge them.
Yeah, but they wouldn't know where the hell to get out.
Charge the council.
Yeah, that's it.
They should open these up.
They should do, but they won't do. So that's pretty much it, people. I take it we're going to find the exit and get out of here then, are we?
At some point.
Yeah? I'm just wondering whether it's worth keep recording or...
I'm going to keep recording anyway.
Yeah? Fair enough, I'll keep recording. Yeah, it's back that way. And then it's a right at the end of here.
Follow the blue. The blue. Now follow the white arrow.
We're back at the start now, aren't we?
Smell the weed.
Yeah, from them other people.
Just follow the scent.
Well, yeah, there's the old pedal bike part. So that's pretty much it, people, for the tour of the air raid shelters now. We're getting sealed up, so it'll be a long time before people get back in here, I reckon. Within the next week or so, it'll be completely sealed. So, yeah.
We got. That's your exit. I'm going to do my outro.
Yeah, I'm gonna, that's the exit there. Right, so people, I hope you all enjoyed that. That was Stockport air raid shelters, World War II shelters. This is the exit up here. So I'd like to thank you all for joining me. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And as always, it's been a pleasure. And other than that, people, don't do anything I wouldn't do.